Hey, it's me. I'm back again for day 6 of our challenge. It was so fun hearing from some of you yesterday. I have one friend that's joining me on the challenge, and she's actually, for each day she pulls a number, she's pulling out something from her closet. So let's say she pulls the number 3. She's pulling 3 things from her closet and 3 things from the house to double her impact. So that was so cool to hear from her. And then another friend, she pulled number 9 the other day, and so she cleaned out her pen drawer, because we all know how it is when you get ready to go write with a pen, they don't work, right? So now she's went through and got rid of 9 inefficient pens. So I thought that was a really cool. So it doesn't have to be huge, big things. It can be whatever you want to make your challenge. So for those who do not know, hi, my name is Alicia, and we're involved in a 31-day getting ready for spring cleaning, decluttering challenge, where I've placed the numbers 1 through 31 on little slips of paper in this bag, and each day I shake up the bag and I pull a number, and whatever number I pull is the amount of items that I have to get rid of for that day. And then I go get the items, and then I come back and I show you what the items are that I am getting rid of. So let me shake up the bag and let me pull a number. Reach in here and get one. Okay, today I want a low number. Yeah, that would be nice, like 5 and below. Yesterday's number was 21, so okay, all right, not bad. I got 13, so I'm gonna go get 13 items, and then I'll be back to show you what items that I chose. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back with my 13 items, and let me show you what I chose. So first up on the list is this Thigh Master thing. I don't know, I didn't like it. I'm glad to get rid of that. And then I have 2 bottles of hand sanitizer that have expired, and a Dirt Devil, because apparently I have 2 of them. I'm getting rid of some, what are these? Filters from a vacuum cleaner that I no longer own. If I would have known that, I would have sent those Brita water filters. I don't even have the machine anymore. And I don't remember why I bought these, but 2 bags of citric acid. I have this little thing, picture frame holder thingy. These wet wipes that I use for crafting that have dried out in the pack. That's how long I've had them. Let's see. I have the salad spinner that's going back to Costco so I can get some money. I don't even know why I bought this. Never took it out the bag. I kind of thought I was going to get into eating salads and I wanted to wash them, but that's not who I am as a person, and I understand that now. So yeah. And then finally, it's going back to Lowe's. I bought these a couple of months ago. I'm not even taking them out the bag. Y'all just gonna have to trust me. It's 2 boxes of rocks for plant rocks. You know, when you plant repot plants, and sometimes you need to put rocks in the bottom, but I bought more than what I needed. So those are my 13 items for today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7 of the challenge, and I'll come back with a tally by the end of the week of everything that we've gotten rid of, if you're following the same schedule with me. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.